Keeping Windows up to date is very important to your PC's performance and security, so it's good to know how to check for updates. Checking for updates and installing anything new is as simple as a click of a button. Go into Settings, select Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates, and follow the instructions. If in the next window you get the Restart Now button, this means Windows has already searched for pending updates and it only requires a system restart to complete the installation. If there aren't any updates available, Windows will let you know that you're up to date. If by chance you get an error from Windows stating that you don't have enough space on your device to install updates, then you need to watch our video, How to Clean Up Disk Space in Windows 11, to learn how to free up space in your system. If a recently installed Windows update starts causing issues with your system configuration, you can try to uninstall it. Go into Settings, select Windows Update. Under More Options, select Update History, scroll down to Related Settings, and click on Uninstall Updates. From the list, select the most recent update and click on its corresponding uninstall. Then confirm the action in the next dialog box to start the process. Once it's uninstalled, restart your system. If you need any help or have any questions, reach out to us through social media for assistance. You can also check out the Dell Community Forum to see what others have to say about the subject. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to access all our support videos and get alerts on our new content. Thanks for watching.